Hello and welcome to GT Motive and another one of our training videos which we hope will help you to make the most of our products. Today we're going to see how to configure and set up your work environment, also known as your profile. Remember that this is something that you should do the first time you access GT Estimate. To go to your work environment area, click on the menu icon situated above to the left and go to Work Environment. It is from here that you can configure and set up all the default parameters of the estimates that you create from now on. The most important areas of your work environment are as follows. Hourly labour rates. Here you should configure your hourly labour rate depending on the different types of tasks available, be it mechanic, panel, paint, electrical or trim work, and also the technicality or skill level needed to carry out the task in the T1, T2 and T3 technical levels. Under normal circumstances, you should introduce the same labour rate in all the fields. Paint. In the paint section, you should configure your default paint system. Decide whether you wish to include paint in your estimates or not, and then choose the paint system. You can choose from manual paint, manufacturer, or your independent country-specific paint system, in this case AZT. Also, here you can establish a paint material index. Reports. In the report section, you can decide whether you can view the details of each operation in the report that you create at the end of the estimate creation process. You can also decide whether you wish to hide the labour table from the report. Also, in the report section, you can upload a header or a footer to your estimates. Click on Upload Image, choose the previously created header. Once the header or footer has been uploaded, select the header that you wish to be visible in your estimates. Configuration. In this section, you can select how GT Estimate generates the estimate ID number. If you leave it in manual, you will have to introduce the estimate ID number manually each time you create an estimate. Alternatively, you can choose from correlative numbering putting the year before, year month before, or year month and day before. You can also choose the number with which you want to start. Discounts. In the discounts area, you can configure a default discount that will be applied to all the estimates you create. There is a wide variety of options in this area, from selecting a discount on total, on the parts, on labour, or on any of the items that you can see in this section. Waste EPA charge. The Waste Environmental Protection Agency charge can be configured in this section. You can configure a waste EPA charge for oil, tyres, or a general EPA charge that will be applied to all the estimates you create, regardless of the operations you select. You can choose from a cost per unit or a fixed cost. Once you have selected your option, introduce the amount. Functionality. In this section, the most important thing you should select is whether you wish to use Ving query in your estimates and whether you would like the Ving query function to be launched automatically each time you carry out a registration number lookup. You have now configured your work environment. To go back to the estimates list and the home page, click on the menu icon situated above to the left and click on Estimates List. You are now ready to create your first estimate. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to consult other useful videos from this channel and contact our country-specific helpline for any issues or doubts you may have.